buddy of mine who's going to be retiring soon, friend of our families. He's in his 60s, and he said when he started in the factory, there were 90 people working on a production line, and today there are 9. And this
Mm.
is pre-AI. This is just robotics and automation. And so 90% of the jobs changed. And so, and it probably took a, almost 2 decades for the new jobs to show up. That in combination with older workers retiring. And so I've seen examples of AI powered robots parking cars. I've seen an example of AI robots crawling up poles, doing electrical wires. I was in a conversation recently with a doctor who's a surgeon, and he says that he doesn't do surgery by hand anymore at all. It's all done by high powered machines and optics. And he looks through a lens and kind of almost video game like does some of the things and provides guidance, and he's there for expertise. And I envision that there will be more of that. And then because AI is logic based knowledge. So where there's deductive reasoning, meaning if then that or this, that those spaces will be likely infiltrated. And there's just so much information. I don't know that there's a single source of truth, but the one thing I think we can count on is that there will be change.